Friday, January 23rd, 2026. Market recap. The AMC. I always, going into market, wait for like the first fair value gap to create it. And I usually mark out opening range. Today, I didn't really pay attention during the open as much as I usually do. Because this week I'm down. I've been making a lot of mistakes. And I thought I'ma just sit tight, do nothing today, and jump back into it next week. But anyway, going into today, I waited, didn't really do anything. We have daily imbalance, volume imbalance, and we also have this daily volume imbalance. Didn't really. I marked out that one. $9.30 open, boom. Let's make that one. So what I did was I marked out first for value gap, CB 932. Didn't really pay any attention, but as we see here, price actually respects the internal buy side. 930, 931 respects it. Fail to take sell side on NQ. This is what I see now. I didn't even care for that. That is that an SMT? Yeah, it is. That's an SMT. Bam. But what I did, yeah, mark that out. Is that that's a 15-minute. That's also buy side. Price took buy side. It wicked it. And be aware, CB still intact. Buy side. Yeah, even to buy side taken. Traces to the first fail. Respect the. Is that an order block? I don't know. Respect it. Boom. Comes back up. Takes it. Kind of strong bullish market since not really many retracements. Burst through 15-minute CB. And at this point, I mark out all of them. These two. Because I want to see, if we're bullish, I want to see these get validated and run through. Right? And once we run through, bullish, buys are taken. I saw this wick. Look at this. Chat, look at that. To the tick. And be aware, that's the 50-minute CB. We're above it. We open. Open. Goes back down. Feels it, taps it to the tick. Comes back up and closes above. And right there, I thought, okay, bam. I did not take any trades today. But if I would probably have taken this one. Jump in. Where's the brush? Where's the brush? Brush, 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 brush. Bam. And he's not. What? And since we're, if we're bullish, we will be strong and we won't retrace. And that give me like clarified it. Jumping there, boom, price. How do I explain this? It's like if we're strong, which we are, looking at that wick and the close, I want to see price hold upper part of this CB as an inverse for value gap. There will be tight stop, and we continued above. And be aware, this is last hindrance, right? 15-minute CB. Ran through that as well. And at this point, I actually tried. Never mind. As you can see, we validate that one. Boom, comes back. There's CB. And we wick it. Look at the candles. No candle closes inside. Everyone is outside, right? Boom. Wick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wicks. And I mean, what does that tell you? No close, or every close is outside to the upper part. 10:20. We flew. 1 minute breaker. Is that a 1 minute breaker? Correct me if I'm wrong, but is that the 1 minute breaker, or is that the 1 minute breaker, or is that the order block? That's the breaker. Either way, we rip higher, equal highs, and the 60-minute CB. Well, yeah, 60-minute CB above, which I want to see. So, but the thing here, well, once we reached that one, I was like, okay, it got to my target, right? But one thing here that I have to work on, right, that I'm doing wrong is I usually trade my stop loss, right? And if I would, my entry here, I would have traded my stop loss. Once we like flew up here, you have one. Let's do it like this. Wait, how? You have 1 PD array, 2 PD arrays, plus 3 PD arrays. I would actually not want to see price come back to this one, but looking at the 5 minute, 10 closes, bearish one, wicks it, that could, price came back to a 5 minute PD array and went from there. So it makes sense, but still wouldn't want price to even come back to it. But looking at it now, you have, yeah, no, you don't even have it. I was thinking maybe you have an SMT or an ES and NQ, but that didn't happen. And I mean, this one didn't even give you a chance. And I mean, a long position, I mean, would that even be worth it? Maybe. If not. But yeah. I did going into today. I didn't really have a bias, right? Draw liquidity. Well, I mean, you have these entire bias, what is it? And you technically had, let's say on the 50-minute, you had okay, sell side boom, PD array, simple as that. But you could easily go down and take these as well, but looking what price did here is like, okay, bam, right, that would be some good longs turning these, but I would probably get stopped out. Yeah, today's price action, a little review, and interesting enough, my kind of first video documenting the continuation of my trading journey, and we'll see what we make of it. And yeah, until next time.